Hi, in this video you're going to learn how to turn a pair of white Converse shoes into the beautiful shiny sneakers you see here. The materials I'm going to use are around 1.5 packages of Swarovski crystals in the SS20 size. In the description box I will leave as well some other brands you can order online. I'm also using another package of smaller crystals in the SS10 size. For the glue I use E6000 that is super powerful. And this rhinestone picker tool from the brand Crystal Katana will make the work way easier and helps you place each crystal in the right place. I also will use a regular syringe without the needle. And lastly, these dispensing tips to apply the glue in the exact place we need it. I'm gonna link everything down here so you can check it out. Okay, so the first thing I do is remove the laces from the shoes to have an empty area to work. Then I fill the syringe with glue and put the dispensing tip on one side and the sliding plunger on the other. I leave it standing like this for a little while, until the air bubbles go to the top, which means the syringe is ready to use. Now it's time to start applying the crystals on the shoes. First, using the bigger crystals all around the edges like this. I apply some glue and with the black wax tip of the Crystal Katana, I pick up each crystal to place it on the glue. Then with the metal tip I can move them to make sure they are aligned and looking good. I do this all around the side of the shoe. I have been using my Crystal Katana for around 5 years, applying hundreds of thousands of crystals and never changed the tip, so that's why it looks so blunt. But I think pretty soon I will get a replacement, so it will look brand new again. And this is how it's going to look once you start applying the crystals all around the edge. Using the same bigger crystals, I apply some more following the seam lines that are close to the eyelets in this way. When getting to the corner, I continue to apply a second row of crystals on the top edge like this. Then I take the smaller crystals for the small corners and spaces where there is not enough room for the bigger crystals. For example, here I used like 3 or 4 small crystals. And then, when there was enough space, I continued applying the bigger crystals. apply row after row of crystals in the same manner until the side is completely covered with crystals. Then I continue with the eyelets area. And here I only use the smaller crystals, because those are easier to place on the curves, making everything look full and without weird spaces like this. And this is how beautiful the first side looks once it's finished. Now it's time to repeat the same steps on the other side. On the center of the bag, I used the small crystals to create contrast with the bigger crystals on the sides. And a couple of hours later, you're gonna have a pair of shiny beauties like these ones, and they will be ready to put on the laces again. Remember that anything you desire, if you can imagine it, you can create it. In your hands lies the power to turn the invisible into visible. For more videos, remember to subscribe and click on the bell to be notified when a new video is ready. Thank you so much for watching and for sharing this video with whoever you think can be helpful for. I'm sending you a big hug, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!